Let's get ready for a scandalous showdown. Did Kevin Hart's former assistant cross the line with her explosive tell-all interview? Or is she simply exercising her right to speak out? Join us as we focus in on our shocking allegations, the legal battle, the drama surrounding this celebrity scandal. Buckle up because this one, you don't want to miss. How goes it? It's Hush Hush Hollywood here to give you those quick dopamine hits to get you through your day. Let's keep you in the know. So let's snap in. But before we do all that, just want to say that this is all for fun and all of this is allegedly. So let's hop in right now. LA Times article. Kevin Hart is getting litigious after former assistant Misha Shakes did a tell-all interview about him with YouTube host Tasha K. You would think Tasha K would have learned from Cardi B, but let's hop back to the article. According to LA Times, in the recent chat, Shakes alleged that Hart had cheated on his wife several times, had gotten a woman pregnant, and had a serious gambling problem. Well, are we really that surprised? Did anybody watch Real Husbands of Hollywood? I mean, I know it was a show, but come on. Now in Los Angeles County Superior Court Kevin Hart has sued Shakes Tasha K, his legal name is Tasha K. Who knows if that's how you really say it. TV Studios LLC for defamation, civil extortion, breach of contract, and invasion of privacy. In an Instagram preview to the interview that was posted this week, Tasha K edited caption read, "We never accused him of impregnating another woman. It was only cheating! Exclamation point, exclamation point." From 2017 to 2020, Shakes was employed by Hart's company, Hart Enterprises, Inc. For part of that time, she served as a ride-along actor's personal assistant, and according to court documents obtained and reviewed by the Times, Hart's legal team said Shakes violated a 2022 non-disclosure agreement when she gave the interview to Kibi, aka Tasha K. I don't know why people sign these and then talk, but, I'll keep my opinions to myself. Shakes shall not directly or indirectly disclose, exploit, or disseminate confidential information to any person or entity whatsoever, including but not limited to friends, family members, journalists, tabloids, television or radio program, websites, or internet social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, or threatens to do so, the NDA said, according to court documents. They basically covered it all, so I'm not sure how she's talking. During the interview, Shakes said there were loopholes in her NDA that meant she wouldn't face legal ramifications for her words. All I know is I hope she has a really good lawyer who really did his legal diligence because, girl, you don't want to be paying this man any money. Hart's legal team is disputing that and alleges that the interview included false and defamatory statements regarding Hart and certain legal disputes in which he had been involved. No money was paid, but the Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle star attorney hit Kibibi, and no, I'm jacking her name up, with a cease and desist letter. The filing said advising her not to publish the chat due to the intentional interference with the contractual relationships between Hart and Shakes, and informing her that Hart had notified law enforcement of the ransom. Why is this man always being extorted? Leave little Kevin alone. Kibi proceeded to post the interview on her pay-to-view subscription website on December 22nd. Hart is suing for general damages, compensatory damages, and legal fees. Representatives for Hart, Kibibi, and Kibibi Studios did not immediately respond to the Times' request for comment Wednesday. Shake has not publicly commented on the lawsuit. Hopefully she learned her lesson from Cardi B and she won't go and battle on Instagram. But, hey, maybe she feels protected. LA Times, big time pain. Cardi B sued for defamation in federal court in 2019 and won her case in January 2022. Kibibi was ordered to pay Cardi B a total of $4.25 million in I'm just going to say the bag and punitive damages as a result of loving the defamation suit, The Root reported. And then we lost the appeal against Cardi B, said Jay, but I'm going to be all right, the YouTuber wrote in March on Instagram after her appeal was rejected. I appreciate all y'all love and support throughout this fight. I'm gonna do a country accent right now. To do that today, we throw in the white flag. What happens will never happen again. To Cardi and her team, I apologize sincerely. We live and we learn. Talk about check my mouth can't cash, she wrote in the caption. In June, KBB filed for bankruptcy. She was just trying to protect herself, but hey, what can you blame her? But in November, apparently, Undaunted, Khabibi interviewed a man who said he had been an assistant and a close friend of Will Smith and alleged that he had seen the actor having, what grown people do with another actor, Dwayne Martin. Smith's rep called the story completely fabricated, while the actor's wife, Jada Pinkett Smith, said she and her husband might sue over the Tasha K interview. I mean, how many court cases is she going to have against her? Please take a moment to subscribe and like. Love to have comments, so make sure you rant and rave and all the things that you normally do. I don't know what you guys think, but I think that Tasha K should take the stuff from Instagram down and walk away and be very careful with her proceeding forward, because girl, you don't want to lose all your money, and I know you have children and you want to protect your bag, and it's just not that serious. All we need is a little tease, a little taste. We don't need to know all the details. We don't need to know, but everything I said in here is allegedly. So remember that.